Magandang buhay sa ating lahat, content creators and viewers. Yan, isang mapagpalang araw. Kasi ba naman malapit na ang balik eskwela 2025. So kailangan mamili ng gamit ng aking anak. Yan. Madaming tao. At then, 3 mall yung pinuntahan namin kasi may mga gusto siya for her things na wala sa isang mall, kaya kailangan lumipat sa ibang mall. And then after that is PG. Wow, special prayer group with the pictures with them, memories, memories to keep. Yeah, old member, yung kamag-anak ng old member of CCRA namatay, kaya kailangan give sympathy. And then at the night when we arrived from Davao City, yan, may buwan, at gumala na din kami ng anak ko. Pauwi mo na, bili ng for her mobile accessories. Yan, masaya siya, of course. Hi guys, we're walking on the street. Tia is walking to find a phone case. Alright. Whoa! Paninda guys, hapit na. Fiesta sa Mako.